Hello guys, my name is Jabidan here, and today I will show you how to make a movable custom border style. So in this tutorial we are going to use Visual Studio 2019, but you can also use Visual Studio 2017. Here I will show you. Here we are. This is what Visual Studio 2017 looks like, people. So yeah, so basically here, just create new project, search Windows Form app on the search bar, Windows Form app.net framework. Yeah, choose this one that have a C# on it. Next, name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it custom border style movable. Okay, and create. So it will take a while depending on your internet speed. It depends on your computer processing power. So I have hold on. So my computer processing speed this. Here, just a pass side note. Okay, so yeah. So okay, enough with the chit chat. So basically we all know. Okay, hold on, let me rename So basically we all know that if you pick none here at the font section, so let me just if we pick none here, and if we click run, okay, we click start, we all know that it can't be moved. So here I'm clicking here, so I can't. So basically what you're going to do right now is bring up the panel, just search up for panel here. Here, there we go. So go to the dock section. Where is it? So I know it was somewhere here. Focus me out. There we go. Here, just go to the dock. There we go. And add the color, appearance. You can choose whatever color you want. And also don't forget the close button. Here. we are going to drag the button here, and if we click run here, we can close it, but we can't drag it. So just click on the panel here, right here, the panel, go to the properties, go to the event. See, let me zoom in for you guys. So this is what we call the event right here. So hover down to the mouse. Oh my god. Here, double click the mouse down. Remember, this is all, we are going to all focus on the panel, not anything else. Double click the mouse move and double click the mouse up. Okay, so yeah. Here, so better viewing. So here, let me drag up my code. I forgot about it. Here's the source code, the example. So here, wait a sec. Okay, just type this code right here under the public partial class form. Okay, on the mouse move, on the mouse down, copy paste this code. Okay, you can pause the video if you like. Mouse up, mouse down, mouse up. Here, panel 1, mouse up. Okay, for the mouse move, here for the mouse move, here, pause it. Here the mouse down, mouse move, mouse up. And if we go ahead and click run, here, now it's draggable. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. How to make a draggable, like, a draggable custom border style. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.